Time check at 6:58. We're here at the Grand Park Place Village for our 7 a.m. viewing. Welcome to the Grand Park Place Village, located in the heart of Imus, Cavite. This exclusive and secured community is near everything you need. Super accessible, walking distance lang po ito City of Imus Doctors Hospital. In case of emergencies or regular checkups, mabilis at hassle-free ang access sa quality healthcare. Need groceries? Wala nang long drives. Fresh produce, essentials, and shopping just a few steps away. Dine, shop, and unwind with family and friends. Restaurants, retail stores, at entertainment options para sa convenient lifestyle. 24/7 yung guards, CCTV, and gated entry. Safety first. Bahay lang ba ang hanap mo? Ito, may lifestyle ka rin. Grand Park Place Village, world-class amenities ang mapapalapit sa pamilya mo. Mas matibay na family bonding, mula grand clubhouse at function rooms para sa special events, hanggang landscape gardens para sa chill moments, perfect for making memories. Unlimited fun and relaxation, mag-swimming sa adult and kiddie pools, maglaro ng basketball o tennis, o hayaan mag-enjoy ang kids sa play place. Lahat nandito. Health and wellness anytime. Stay active sa modern gym, mag-jogging sa scenic paths, o maglaro ng billiards at table tennis, walang dull moment. Ito sa Grand Park Place Village, hindi lang bahay ang investment mo, kundi masayang buhay kasama ang pamilya. Tara na! Your dream home is waiting.